Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You're signed in, so start by opening the Facebook app or website and going straight to Settings and Privacy, then Settings. You do this because Facebook centralizes permissions and location controls here. Once done, find the Location or Location Services entry. If you're on mobile, the menu icon shows it. On desktop, use the left-hand or top bar. Make sure to pause and confirm you're in your personal account, not a page, because location settings apply per user and must be changed from the correct profile. Once you're in location settings, review each option. Share location, location history, and nearby friends are separate and let Facebook use your position in different ways. You'll want to set device-level permission next. Pick Allow only while using the app for most privacy-conscious users, or Deny if you never want background access. Also adjust precision. Turning off precise location gives broader coordinates. Make sure to clear location history if you want to remove past data, and confirm each top. To finish, save changes and restart the Facebook app so the new permissions register. You'll hear nothing, but the system applies them on relaunch. If location still appears incorrect, make sure your device's OS-level location permission matches what you set in Facebook and that GPS/location services are enabled. Sometimes airplane mode or battery saver blocks updates. If problems persist, clear the app cache or reinstall Facebook, because corrupted app data can prevent saved settings from taking effect. That usually resolves stubborn issues.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.